So everyone, you should have your Fusion 360 opened if you don't have it. So for those who are new, today is like we are supposed to be in our 6th or 7th lesson so far. We are going to be talking about how to design something and print it. So these are some of the things which the previous students have been able to design and print. They are all here. There are so many of them. Everyone has got something they have printed before, they have designed and printed before. Yeah, so these are some parts. There are so many for every student. So what the objective of today is, I'm going to share with you briefly what 3D printing is all about for those who are new. And then we are going to go to a software called Fusion 360, which you should have installed right now. And then after that, we are going to continue. We will do more complex design. Even today, we'll start from a very basic so that everyone understands what we are doing. And then we go into a deeper, a more in-depth. Then by the end of the lesson, everyone will be able to share with me what they have designed, and then I'll print them for you. Okay. So that is the plan for today. We were supposed to meet physically, but since we are having the issue of, you know, all what is happening. So 3D printing, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is described as additive manufacturing, where you use a material such as plastic, or you work with materials such as plastic, ceramic, even metal, and then you add them layer by layer to form your 3D object. But before you can be able to print them, or to the design that you are going to print, or whatever object that you are going to print, that is where the 3D software, which is called Fusion 360, comes in. So I want you just to follow along on how we are going to use the software to draw something very simple, and then I will take you through how we are going to prepare it and load it to the printer and then print it. So today my main focus today is how to at least everyone to draw something, and then we are going to, from here, those who already have some skills can be able to continue drawing more advanced things. So I want to see. Can you guys confirm with me if you have Fusion 360 working well on your laptops? Everyone, just unmute and then you tell me if your software is okay.
Yes.
Okay. Amondi, okay. Chiseli, yeah, there are so many people joining. Okay. I want to, yes, Mr. Frank, please just unmute and tell me whether you have your software installed. Chesoli, Amondi, Oyugi. Just confirm with me. There are so many people who are new and we want to help them. Shayla has been missing. She is a different Shayla. Shayla, have you been, do you have your software? Nasur, I had your part printed. Nasur, yours is okay. We printed your part. Good job. Amondi, guys, I want you to unmute, all of you, unmute and then you enable your cameras, because you are not talking, and I want feedback so that we can continue. Can you just enable your cameras and then unmute? Everyone, please do that so that we, I see all of you, and then we start.
Posting.
Yes. Okay. So are you using your laptops? Are you using your computers? Are you using your computers, laptops?
Yes.
Winnie, then if you're using your laptop, then start Fusion 360. If you're using your laptop, start Fusion 360. If you have Sheila, there is a group, Sheila, Samji.
Yes.
Yes. Do you have? Are you using your laptop? Can I see your screen?
Okay.
Yes. Please share your screen. I want to see what you've been. Daniel, are you using your laptop? Okay. Sheila, share it once it's opened. It's you are doing good job. Yours is okay. It's working. So let it start working, and then we good. Just stop sharing so that you tell me once once it has opened. Mtu mwingine Winnie, can you share your screen?
It's up in your city for many years. Why? Because we have control of your touch. Shariki forced us to tell all sorts of things to go to make her rich. But then one day,
Daniel, are you sharing? Are you using your laptop?
No.
To me a laptop next time, eh? Okay. Please
Yeah.
get a laptop. You cannot do this with a phone. Use your laptop. Peter, have you shared something recently? You told me you shared something to Tambo, but I've not seen. Share again on the group so that I can be able to print with it for you. Okay?
Okay, I'll send it. Okay.
So is there anyone who has a big problem so that we start? Richard is sharing his screen. Richard has been attending and his work has been good. Yes, Richard. Yeah, good. Share with us Fusion 360. Yeah, this is one of, yeah. Okay, Richard has been attending. Okay, so those who are Nini, you can mute. Yes. So let's start. So today we want to draw something. So on your Fusion 360, start Fusion 360, and we want to draw. You want to draw as a very simple part. And then once we draw a very simple part, we will slice it and load it into the software. But we will be, through this part, we are going to learn new features. For those who have been attending, we want to learn new features such as loft, revolve, sweep, loft, rib. We want to learn at least some few of these features. Then we are also going to learn things like construction lines. We are going to learn new ideas on top of whatever we've been doing. Remember that the lessons, there is one last lesson, which is, we did troubleshooting last week. The only lesson that is remaining, or the only slide that is remaining, is the tools and equipment used for 3D printing, which things like glue and cutter. We are going to cover that maybe by the end of this lesson. So, but we will start by something which is more important, is how to design something. So I want you to just start a new sketch, or you come to File, New Design, File, New Design, and then you save it. Save your work as just save it as just save it. You can save it your name, or whichever thing you want to call it. So I just want to call it medical box. Yes. You can save it box, you can save it to your name, it doesn't matter. So I have called mine medical box. And then you start by create a sketch. You go up there, you create a sketch, or you click up there. Then you click on the top view. We are going to start by sketching on the top view. You can do the top or sides, doesn't really matter. You start with the top view. And then you click onto you click onto the screen where you want to draw something. So you should have something like that. Or in case you don't have, you can come here to origin. You'll see there is an origin. You can click onto the XY axis like that, so that you see where to draw. Then we are going to start by drawing a line. So today we want to start by learning something called Revolve, what Revolve does. So I want you to start by taking a line, and then you draw it. You can do 50 millimeters like that. And guys, use exact measurements I'm using here, so that you make something small or something which we can do. Then you do another here, like 10 millimeters. Again, 10. Or you can just draw it randomly. Let's just draw it randomly, and then we will make the dimensions. So just draw around a shape. Just do a shape like that. Just do a shape of this form, and then you go to Smart Dimension or Sketch Dimension. Remember what we said, you can dimension like that. We said huku equal 50, then you press enter. Then this side, do 10. Here you can do 5 millimeters. This other side also do 5 on the both sides. And then here is 10, like that. So you draw a shape and you make those measurements. So there is something called construction lines. Construction lines, if I know you did mathematics, you knew what construction lines were. You were using them to draw a circle, to draw whatever thing you wanted to draw, and then you delete them by the end. So you can be able to draw a line. For example, we can be able to draw a line like that. You can just be able to draw a line like that. And then once you draw that line, if you want to make it a construction line like that, you can click on it, and then you make it a construction line. So here, so on the there is a sketch palette. There's this. You can see this. It's moving. So it's usually to your right. So there is something called construction. So when you click on it, then the line no longer becomes complete, but it becomes dotted, meaning it's a construction line. So you are making it a construction line. You are going to use it for whichever purpose you want to. Okay, so I want everyone to draw this shape, and then you draw a line. It can be anywhere. So you can dimension it. You can say from here to here, can even be 20 or 25 or 15. So let's just do 20. Okay. Or let's do or remember, if you have a you can also edit it, make it 15. You can give whatever figure you want to use. Okay. So this is a construction line, and you can draw many. You can draw another line here like that. And then you dimension it, meaning you give it a value, 10, or let me say 15, also like that. So it becomes a construction line. So if you, to make it a construction line, you click it, it's blue, and then you come to the construction palette, you click like that, then it will become dotted. It will become dotted. Okay, so that way it's what is described to us as construction line. Okay, so so we wanted to use it to draw a circle. So the center of them there, you draw a circle like that. The center of those two construction lines, you draw a circle. And the construction lines, if you come to sketches, if this construction line, you can, when you are drawing with them, you just ignore them. Once you are done, they're going to be hidden. They are not like your final line. So, but whatever we wanted to do today, we wanted to learn is what is called Revolve. So once you draw something like that, a shape, click Finish Sketch. Finish Sketch, and then you come to Create Revolve. Then you click onto this shape, and I told you it's good to have a mouse. Then they will ask you, select the axis. You click onto this axis, and then the angle you do it is 360. So just leave it 360 like that. Then you click OK. So you're going to have something like this. So can you share your screens? I want to see where you are. Who wants to share their screen if they're stuck? Who wants to
Bob,
share?
can you redo it again?
Yes, I'll redo it again.
Yeah.
So you draw a shape. You draw a shape. It can be of any dimension or any length. I'll even start. I can even start a new design. You don't have to, but I want to show you. So you start a new sketch on the front or top. It doesn't matter. Then you take a line. You start a line. Then you draw it like that. You take it up. The profile doesn't have to be exactly as mine, as long as you are getting the point. So you've drawn a shape like that. And after doing a shape like that, we dimension, you go here.
You are too fast.
Too fast. Let me start again. Start a new sketch. And then you take line. Then with this line, you can click on there. Click, just draw up a shape. At this point, the dimension does not matter. So you just draw a shape like that. Is that okay, everyone? Can you all now do that? I want to see your screens. Let me see your screen from here. Everyone, you can share, and then I see your screen. Who wants to share? Those who have been attending know how to do this, but those who are new, can you be able to share your screen? Hey guys, can you share your screen so that we... Winnie, did your Fusion open well? And Sheila, yours should be opened by now. Grace, are you still having problem? For Richard, I don't know how I can help you. Juliana should be able to draw this now. Kennedy should be able to, Nasur, they have been attending, so you know how to do. Can you guys share your screen so that I see what? Hey, Mzuri, good. Yes. Eric, good work. Someone else? Gogo? Yes. Good work. Who else want to share? Guys, share your screen very fast so that we continue. Amondi Oyugi. Amondi, can you share your screen? Good. Good work. Someone else? Amondi, can you share your screen?
I'm a first time. I'm having a lot of problem, but I'm a slow learner too, so I'll just
You have your laptop with you?
passively, yeah.
Just share your screen. Just share. There is nothing to fear. As in, I want to see where you have Fusion installed.
Sometimes it's on read only. I'll just passively go through the class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sheila, share your screen, Basi. Mariam is sharing. Mariam, yako haijafungua tangu ile wakati ule.
Mine is having a problem, cannot open.
Ai, kwa nini? Ndio hiyo ina open sasa.
It is taking time.
Okay, give it time, let it open. Ndio hiyo inafungua.
Okay, fine.
Log in. You log in, and then once it has started, you'll share your screen again.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Mtu mwingine? Winnie. Guys, I'm here to help you, and there are those who I'm not worried about because they have printed something before. So if you are not sharing your screen, then I cannot help you. To come up later, I know I've printed their stuff, Grace. So that's why I'm insisting I want to see your screen, okay? Chisoli, prepare. Yours is next, Winnie. Hey, good. Yeah. Yes, good work. Winnie has done something. Yeah, good work. Someone else? Chisoli, Mr. Frank. Chisoli Esperance. Please share your screen. If you are not sharing, utuambie, unmute and tell us you are using your phone or something so that tusikungoje. Juliana, can you share after Peter? Yes. Okay, good work, Peter. Just save your work. Juliana sasa. Yeah. Nice. Thank you. John.
From here, which side do I start drawing? The front, right, or where? It has opened right now.
Yes, Juliana Asante, can you now share your screen? Mariam, sasa share your screen. Sasa si unaona wewe ulikuwa hujafungua from haya. So start from the front. Start from the front. Click front. Haya. Yeah, then create a new sketch. Then click up. Click to your plus sign. Hapo. Click on it. And then come double click onto your click there. So now it's telling you unsaved. So save your work. Be saving your work, okay? Then sasa anza kuchora malaini. Yes. Yeah, then click. Then drag to the left. Click again, then take up. Why are you having that funny Nini? Can you undo? Undo again, undo. Then take a line. Click maliliachia. Peleka juu. Then finish your shape. Peleka chini, then to the side, then umalize shape yote. Ziungane. Undo. Make sure that you draw the shape the higher. Square.
Why is it turning to a circle?
Because of how you are manipulating your that line, it's a line with a circle. So you should if you do it, you are clicking twice. Just click the line. You should not click, you just click once. So click on that part and then click hapo chini. Undo. Anza na pande hii, anza na chini huku, anza to your left. Yes. Take it up, then join. Shut join sasa. Then escape, press escape. Press escape. Then I want you to dimensions, unajua sasa chini ya sheet metal hiyo ya malaini dimension, the next one no, sheet metal hiyo line mbili yana arrow. Yes, that one. Sketch dimension. Yes, so click on that and then click pande zote, start with the sides. Click hapo, alafu una click tu hiyo line, alafu una drag nje. Click on that line and then you drag upwards. Click your line, click on the line. Yes. Can you
Which line?
hiyo ya black ya chini, anza na ya chini.
This one.
Ya chini, the
Here.
bottom. The whole line, click on the line in the middle of the line, somewhere in the middle.
Yeah, don't click on the points, Mario.
Don't click on
the line.
Which line? This one.
Yes, click kama hiyo and then you drag to the left. So unaona maandishi hapo, so do write 10. Can you click on that 25? Double click on it.
You have to click on dimension again.
Here.
Yes.
Then
una click your line hiyo. Click hiyo, alafu una drag nje. Click on it, then you drag. So unaona, alafu I think bado unatumia mouse. Are you using a mouse?
yes, I am using a mouse.
Then why is it difficult? Then click on that number. Your number.
This 25.
Click on it mara mbili.
I'm clicking it. I think my computer is slow.
Don't blame computer. So naona hapo maandishi. So I want you to be editing them to have real value. Click on that. You double click mara mbili. So unaona sasa.
I undo.
Click weka hapo number. I want you to have the bottom ones to be the side ones. The side ones to be 10.
This side.
Yes. Dimension it to be 10.
I click here then.
Then una drag, so unaona maandishi hapo kama 20.
20.
So click on it and then you edit it to 10. Click up, enter.
Why is it moving?
Hivyo, click. Sasa.
Oh.
So unaona, sasa click, edit hapo, una delete alafu unaweka 10. Alafu enter. Press enter. Hivyo. Can you do it to the side ones? Kuja pande on the side. Dimension hiyo. On this ndio hiyo inaleta 35. Hebu do 25. Una click hiyo nambari. Cancel. Cancel hii chini kuna hapo escape cancel ama unafinya escape. Haya, sasa hiyo 35 ndio u double click then you edit to 25. Si ndio hiyo hivyo. Then you press enter. Hivyo. Haya.
And the other sides are okay.
Nataka sides uweke 15. Mali uko na 25 on the side, the other side. Hiyo. Weka equate 15. Just edit hiyo 25. Una click on hiyo 25, una edit. Weka 15. Enter. Aya, pande hii pia 15. Hiyo line yote. Aya, sasa unaona shape yako haikuwa complete. That is what the nini is telling. I want you to delete the smaller line hiyo iko juu.
This one.
Delete it. Delete, una delete. 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 Click. Okay, click okay.
Okay.
Si hapo chini ya tu selected. Delete tena. Guys, just be patient with you. You know, we are learning, and others you should be doing the same. Okay. Then unaweza delete hata
I
hiyo
have to draw this side. What about this?
Unaweza delete ama draw, uongeze. Chukua line, take a line. Then mali hiyo imeishia, ongezea line zigungane. Okay. Then press escape. So can you see your line is extra? So delete the extra side. You click hapo.
I've deleted this.
So finish it. Hivyo. Good. So uko juu. Delete hiyo ya juu, hiyo delete. Ulikuwa umechora mbili, so that's why. So just delete them and then you draw it nicely. Hebu scroll juu, scroll ikue kubwa, scroll part yako ikue kubwa. So unaona hiyo line ya juu, bado uko na line hapo juu.
Yes.
Delete hiyo. You click on it, then delete. Good. Sasa unaona part yako sasa imeonekana vizuri. So click finish sketch, or you can unaweza nini huko ikue 25. Unaweza already ni 25.
25. What about this? The bottom one.
The bottom one was 50.
This one.
50, yes.
50.
Yes. Good. So finish sketch. So uko green on your. Then I want you to save your work. So unaona hiyo kitu inakwambia save. So click hapo save. Hapo juu. Alafu ipe jina. Give it a name. Scratch mas. Uite hata jina yako. Call it box or, but it's okay. Haina maana. Okay. So inakwambia so we want to we want to everyone follow with her. So I want you to go to create on your left, on your top. Create, everyone do that. Create. The second there, Apple. Create, click on it. And then revolve. After extrude, revolve. So revolve, so revolve is going to require you to give you a on the requirements. It requires a profile. A profile is what you want to revolve, and then the what is called the axis. Sasa the profile new is the shape you drew. So click on the shape. Select profile, una click kwa hii shape yako. Kuja kwa hii diagram, click ndani ya hii diagram hapo. Have you clicked on it?
I have clicked.
Then
Yes.
Then axis, click hii line ya chini.
I click the line first before the axis.
Yes, you click on the line now.
Then
you didn't click Nini properly. Go and create a revolve again. Click revolve because I can't see it move. It should form.
Yes.
Yes, click start again. Create. Click create. Huko juu.
Create.
Yes. Then click revolve. You may click. You don't highlight. You click on it. Click on it. Yes. Then come to the shape. Yes, unaona sasa it's nini. So click on the shape, ndani ya hii shape hapo.
Here.
Yes. So umesha click.
Yes.
Then axis sasa click line ya chini. Wachana na huko juu. You just click on this shape hiyo, click there. So umeona sasa. So can you rotate your part? So click OK. Click OK. So rotate your part. Rotate. Tumia mouse, we rotate. Ama click on that box ya juu and then you rotate on it. You rotate. Una click ile box alafu ni kama unaizungusha. Yes. Okay, I want you to rotate it full ndio tuone hata inakaje on the sides. Hivyo. Yes. Yeah, that is what I was telling you. Sawa.
Thank you.
Other guys, can you share? Thank you for that. Other guys, have you managed to? Is there anyone with a problem who has not managed to do what she has done? Abdallah is sharing. Good. Good. Thank you. Mtu mwingine? Good job. Someone else? Eric? Okay. Good. Someone else? Gitai, Gitai ameshare. Winnie, is yours now okay? Peter Collins is sharing.
Bob,
Yes.
ile ya construction line utarudia?
Nitarudia.
Okay.
Good. Collins, Grace, sasa share your screen.
Mine was the one I shared ya kwanza. Ama wacha nirudie.
Miriam, haya. Miriam, good. Mtu mwingine? Huyu ni Mariam. Mwingine? Someone else? Thank you. Albert shared a file in the meeting. Albert, I want the screen. Mimi sitaki nini vitu unashare hapo image. Nataka screen. Ushare screen yako. See. Good. Who else is stuck? Julian, thank you. Kennedy pia mzuri. Haya, good. Haya, Grace ameshare. Thank you. Mtu mwingine? Mtu mwingine? There are those. Go, good. John. John, are you with us? Yes. Aya. Good. Aya, someone else? Rashida? Aya, good. Let's continue. Adan. Adan. Good. There are other people who are already going on, which is good. So we want to sketch. Do you guys know? So since you know that, I want us to. Now I'm sharing my screen.
Bob, tafadhali rudia construction line. Hapo tulipotea.
Yes, we are doing it again. So so this was my part. So what I was telling you is what construction line is. I'll just dimension this. So Abdallah, nataka uone ulikuwa na shida, but nataka uone how easy it is to dimension. Una click two side hivi. Unachukua dimension hivi. Unachukua two side hivi. Alafu una drag to the left. Unaona? Una click hapo, naeka 10. Hivyo. Hivi this one you dimension to the top or bottom. So una click your line itakuwa inaonekana blue. So if I click, if I highlight, if I bring my mouse to it, hivyo itaonekana blue. So you click on it, you click hivyo, you enter 20. Namna hiyo. Bottom one was 50. 50 like that. If it was 50 the whole part, but ingine ni 20. Unaweza weka hata 10. Okay? The side one, una click to hivyo, it's 10. You want it to be 15. Hivyo. You see? This one is 25. It's already 25, so it's stuck like that. So it's very easy. So Grace, to draw the construction line, I want you to take a line, take a normal line, and then unaweza ichora. So the construction lines are to help you to know like where the center is. Let's say you want to draw a circle inside here. So you want you can draw a line kutoka hapa hadi hapo.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How do I go back to that after showing this figure?
After showing?
To the sketch.
How do you go back to the sketch?
Yes.
After doing what? Oh, you can click sketch again. You can
wait.
See, I'm going to show you that. Wacha nikuonyeshe hivi. See, and others will also see this. So after I finish sketch, and then nime revolve. So nime revolve your shape. Alafu una select axis. Imekuwa hii axis. And then iko 360 hivyo, nime-click okay. So uko hapa? Uko hapa, si ndio?
Yes.
So una click to sketch, una create a new sketch. alafu una select face yenye unataka kunini kama hii. Kama hii, una click hata back. Sasa itakuwa imerudi hivi. Umeona? Umeona? Have you seen? Guys, let's continue.
Yes, I'm seeing it. I'm trying to do it.
So guys, let's continue. There are those who had made their nini, but I want you to see. I want us to draw something called a pattern. I want us to make something called a pattern. So kuna hii circular pattern. So I want us to draw a circle. So hapa, I want you to draw a circle, a small circle hapo, and then you can dimension the circle. Hii dimension, una dimension kama 10. You got 10. And then from the center, you give it a value to the center.
First, we draw a circle, then we.
Yes.
No, you will choose create sketch, then.
Let me do it again.
How did you?
Everyone has a shape like this, sindio? The size does not matter. You have a shape, sindio, kama hii. Is that okay? Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Everyone has a shape. Whether you have chamfered, it does not matter. Nilikuwa naona some people are doing stuff, it does not matter. But now once you have a shape like this, I want you to create a new, create sketch. Alafu you create it on the side which has a circle, or this side which had a circular pattern. For me, it's the front part. Nona. Are we together? Is everyone here? Situko sawa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you create a sketch onto that surface, then draw a circle. Take a circle. Unachora circle hivyo. It can be of any dimension as long as it's fitting. Don't draw something too big or too small. So mine, I decided to be 10. Yours can be 5, it can be 2 millimeters.
The way you are getting that circle is where we are getting lost.
So unachukua tu circle. Okay, I know. See, uko hapa, so create a new sketch. Vile tumekuwa tu tukichora sketch. Alafu, you come to the front and then you double click. So sitakuletea sketch vile tumekuwa tukichora 2D. Have you managed? Kuna some people here, I want to see whether they are doing anything. Eric, can you share your screen? Okay. Okay, Winnie has a problem. Winnie, we are here to help you. If your machine is slow, we understand. Try getting a faster machine, and then also, yes, try getting a faster machine. We are also going to have another session next week. We will be there to help you. Sheila, manage. Thank you. This is who is this sharing? Eric. Eric, sasa, I want you to click on, let's do it together. A new sketch. Sasa, don't click on the top, but click on the sides. Rotate your kitu on the side. Nataka side. Uipeleke hivyo. Sasa right, click right. Sasa click on right. hivyo. Alafu unachukua sako. So double click. Aya, can you take a circle and see if you can draw? Finish sketch. Aya, start a new sketch. Then click your right. Then double click. Click your right. Aya, si sasa unaweza chora. Chora sako hapo. Chora tu sako and then you dimension it 10. Small 10, just give it a sizable size. Dimension it. Dimension, umejua kudimension. Can you give it like 20 or? Na wewe unachora vitu kubwa. Haya. Sawa. Good. Haya, mtu mwingine? Grace, can you share your screen? Nataka kuona ama Rashida. Eric, good.
My net went, I was disconnected as soon as you are going to talk about construction line. So, nimekuta mnema.
Haya, tunachora sako. Just wait, we are going to show you. Just follow. Rashida, sasa wewe hata umeendelea ukachora. Wewe uko mbele ya class. Haya, mtu mwingine? Someone else? She's doing a good job. This is what I wanted to show you guys. We are doing it, Imanthu. Imanthu sasa. Good. Mtu mwingine? Imanthu, good job. Mtu mwingine? Adan. Adan. Good. Adan anaelewa mahali tunaenda. Good job. Mtu mwingine? Mariam. Mariam umerudi. Haya, so Mariam umeichora mahali mbaya. Can you zoom in? Zoom in. Make it bigger. Zoom out. So you tumia scroll wheel to zoom out. Zoom it so that we Aya, so delete hiyo sako. Umeichora kubwa sana. Just delete it. Ama undo. Aya, so take another circle. Aya, draw it on that red line. Draw it exactly on the red line. Usichore huko juu, chora hapa ndani. Inaweza kuwa ndani ama nje, it doesn't matter, but on that line, hiyo line ya red, chora hapo. Unajua nataka uichore katikati, almost the center of that, between hizo line mbili. In escape. So the center uweke almost katikati ya hiyo line ya red hapo katikati. Katikati, yes, there, somewhere there. Not this center, huko juu. Sio hapo. Between the two circles, kuna center hapo ya hiyo red line between the two circles. Between hapo na ya juu. Sasa hapo katikati. Katikati ya hiyo line. Katikati ya hapo. Yes, click on that and draw a circle. I don't make it too big. Make it smaller. Again. Yeah, like 4. So click on it and then you dimension it as 4. Click. 4. Click enter. Hivyo. So I want you to create, go to create, click create, huko juu, create. pattern, circular pattern. Circular pattern, chini. Yes, click on that. Click on circular pattern. Aya. Then I want you to point the center of the circle ni huku. Center ya circle yako, ya original circle, hapo. Click on that. Umesha click. Click center ya hiyo circle.
Yes, I've clicked.
Aya, mbona can you go to center point? Go to on the circular pattern on the huko juu. Huku on the right, in your right. Click your center point, click here hapo. Then go to the click at the center sasa. Then angular spacing, hiyo full. Sijui kwa nini yako haiform hiyo pattern. There is something you are not doing right. Zinafaa zionyeshe sako mingi.
Should I repeat?
Repeat again. Create pattern. Alafu hapo center.
Create pattern.
Create pattern. Enda tu huko create circular pattern. Then click hiyo sako yako. Sako ya juu ile ndogo ulichora. Click on it. Good. Then click center ya sako sasa. Click.
I've clicked.
Just be patient.
Bob, I think what she's supposed to do is go to center point, then select the origin.
Center point. Sio ndio kitu nimemwambia. Enda on the hapo. Then click this hapo. I think she's not clicking it twice or something. You be double clicking. You. Ebu click finish sketch. There are several ways you can do. We can solve this. Finish sketch. Then I want you to extrude. Enda kwa extrude. Umejua ku extrude?
Yes.
Extrude hiyo ya kwanza, extrude hiyo, the first, extrude your box. Yes, click on extrude. Then extrude hiyo circle ulichora. The circle ya ndani ile ndogo. Yes.
This one.
Yes. Yes. Then can you rotate your part? Rotate it to at an angle. Rotate it. Toa hiyo, rotate it. Una click tu alafu una drag your box on the left to the sides. Can you rotate it equal at like 90 at 45 degrees? Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Una zoom tu na nini na mouse. Una zoom tu na mouse. Aya hivyo. Aya, then rotate it.
Aya, where is it?
Si ndio hii? Imepotea. Kuja hapa kwa pan, unajua hii ya mkono pan at the center. Let me share my screen and then you see something.
Imepotea.
Ngoja tu nakusaidia. Nakusaidia. I want you to see what I am doing. Follow what I'm doing. So if you guys, everyone, this should be basic now, but let me say you have such a small thing, Hauoni, you just scroll with your mouse, okay? Na scroll na mouse ndani, and then it becomes smaller and bigger. Abdalla, unaona hiyo? Una scroll to mouse. Sawa?
Yes, I can see.
Aya, then kuna hii hapa chini, kuna hii pan. Pan can, if in case imepotea huku, you can use that to bring it to the center. Can you try that? Sawa. And then kuna hii ya orbit. Hii ni rotate, unaweza ichukua alafu unairotate hivi. So ukitaka kama ile hiyo extrude ilikuwa inakusumbua, tumia hii orbit and then you put it at an angle like that. So that you see your circle, and then when you are clicking extrude, you click on the circle and then una extrude hivyo. Una extrude hivyo ndani.
Bob.
Yes.
Mwenye sikuwa hiyo circle, hebu nielezee tunatengeneza.
So you click on the front, for you who has done their front view, and then you create a new sketch. Then you draw the circle, a circle anywhere. So you double click on this part, then you click a circle. Evo. So unachora tu circle. You remember last week or the other week, you draw the circle.
Yes.
Then you create a pattern of that circle. So you click on that. Then you select. Miriam pia na Tumai unafuata, unless your software is different, then you select center point na click hapo, then unaona itaonekana hivi, then unaweza, you can say how many you want, like I want 10, alafu sasa zinakuwa hivi. Miriam, this is what I wanted you to do. I don't know whether it's your software message.
So we are doing the circles on the ile tulikuwa tumecreate a revolve. That's okay.
Let
me try.
Finish sketch and then you extrude. You extrude. You click on all of them.
We extrude cut or
you extrude
cut?
Extrude now. Diameter ya ngapi?
You extrude cut through.
Distance.
Through. Make sure that equate through. So you can do them one by one, which is a difficult thing.
Those small circles.
Yes.
Why am I not getting them?
The small circles. Okay, let me explain. Let me nirudie. Unaona hapo. Can you be able to see? I have not drawn any circle. So I take a circle, nachora hapo, circle ndogo. Umeona? Rashida alishachora. Mariam, unaona? Can you be able to see? I have a small circle.
Yes, I'm following.
Then so kuja hapa kwa create circular pattern. Okay. And then what do you want to create a circular pattern of? You want to create a circular pattern of this small circle you just drawn. So you click on it, it should be blue. Like inafaa ikuwe light blue. And then when you click on it like that, it becomes thicker and it becomes deep blue. Then you click on it. Then center point. Unakuja hapa to the left, you click center point. Then center point is the center of the original circle. Hapo. Then zitaanza kuonekana hivyo. Then you specify how many. You say I want 10 of them. Namna hiyo.
Let me see your end result. Revolve. Once you rotate, sorry.
Then you rotate, utachukua hii orbit, you rotate, you click orbit iko hapo chini, then you click on it namna hii.
Iko hapo kusaidia mbele sana.
Sawa. Hata ungechora hapa mimi sina shida na wewe. You just, as long as you have known how to create the circular pattern. Okay. So I want to see your screens. I've stopped sharing. I want to see your screens. There were some of you who had drawn it, so I will not. Hii ni nani huyu? Hii ni Sheila ama ni nani? Who is sharing? Abdallah, Agil. Good. Huyu wako sawa. Abdallah, good job. Who is sharing next? Gogo. Good. Mnaona kitu Gogo amechora? Yes, good. Juliana amenyamaza. Juliana, are you with us? Those who are here, make sure you are doing what you are doing, because after this, I'm going to request you to send me what you are doing, what you have done, then I print them.
I have a question.
Yes.
For some reason, I can't save my project. Is it because the free trial is over?
You can't save. Can you share your screen? Pengine iko. Not save. Expired. Okay. Hao watu wanakutesa bwana. I think it's because. So can you create a new account? So unakuanga na email kama mbili. Sorry, we tried reaching out to these people. They want us to buy. Mnaweza lipa 40K.
If we contribute, I'm up individually 40K.
So just create a new account now at Autodesk, and then before we figure out what we'll do, then just get a new account.
Go.
Yes.
Can I share my screen? Hapo kwa circular pattern, mine is refusing.
Yeah, share. Sorry, Abdallah, sorry, but yeah, just find a way of getting a new license if it's a free one. Grace, share, tunakungoja. Alafu Juliana, you are next.
Hold on.
Kuna hii ya there's somebody who is having personal.
Yo.
Yes. Aya. Okay. Aya. So click on
Unaiona?
the naona but bado hujachora pattern. So click on the top view. Click on the top view. Click huko juu.
I'm here.
Click on the top view. Okay, now you are drawing on the right. The other view.
My circle is here.
Change it to the right view. Change the right. Huko juu.
Ndio.
Haya. So go to create.
So nikienda create circular pattern.
Yes. Then una click your circle. Click on your circle.
This one, here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No, the smaller circle you drew.
Ndio hiyo nimeclick.
Then select center point. Click center point. Center point and
hapa.
Then kuja select center ya circle, the original circle.
Hapa. It's not doing anything.
Do it again. Cancel.
Was there anything else you did on this thing other than revolve?
No. Click center circular pattern, then click your circle.
The big one.
The smaller one.
Or the small one.
Yes. Then click center point.
Hapa.
Click hapo kwanza, click huko kwa center on the
hapa.
Then sasa enda
ndio hiyo finally. Nime double click ndio imekuja.
Weka 10. Then click okay.
Iko sawa sasa.
Go to orbit.
I thought I finished sketch first. Ndio ni extrude.
I finished sketch. It doesn't. Sasa wewe unajua ku extrude.
Wacha niache kushare basi.
Yeah, so extrude all of them.
Okay.
Mtu mwingine? Sheila. Nasur. Gitai, Evans, share your screen. Chap. Tunataka kuona what you guys are doing. Hello, please share your screen. Yes, good work. Mtu mwingine? Gitai yako sawa? Juliana, yeah? Good. Juliana, good job. Someone else? Is there any, mnajua mtu wa share so that we tumulike? Albert? Albert, share your screen.
Where? This one's good.
Hata huyu anaitwa admin akuja muona.
Nani aje?
Admin.
Admin ni nani? Mariam sasa.
I've kept them inside. Is it right or wrong?
It's okay.
Must it be outside?
No, the whole idea was to show you how to do a circular pattern. Now umeipata sasa. Haya, hebu orbit kuja hapo chini.
Orbit.
Kuja chini huko utaona kitu inaitwa orbit. Chini kabisa. Unaona hiyo orbit hapo chini. Haya, rotate sasa.
This one.
Sasa click part yako alafu uta rotate. Unaona sasa? Aya, so I want you to extrude, finish sketch. Finish sketch.
Finish sketch.
Someone is talking in the background, Yako, but so can you make it bigger? Can you zoom in? Zoom out. Na mouse sasa una scroll. Uweke ikue kubwa. Scroll na mouse. Scroll na mouse. You scroll the mouse wheel. Can you scroll? Scroll to make it bigger.
Scrolling this.
Una scroll na wheel, mouse wheel. So uko na mouse?
Yes, using the mouse wheel.
Yeah, Evo. That is what I meant. Okay. Then so I want you to extrude. Extrude. Enda kwa ile extrude. Extrude huko juu. Sawa. Then
this one
then,
here.
Yes. Una click hivyo. Aya, sasa so kuja kwa hizi masako zako. I want you to select these small circles you had. Press control. Everyone, you should press control. Hizo sako ndogo ndogo.
All of them.
Yeah, the small circles. Sio hiyo. The smaller circles you drew earlier. Escape. Hizo ndogo ndogo. So you'll have to, you see the reason ulizichona ndogo sana. So, but they can still work. You just make sure that you can be able to select them. Click nje, click nje. Click nje. You'll have to start again because sasa wewe hizo sako ulichora ndogo sana. Can you go to new sketch? You just sketch, go to the sketch.
I think ziko sawa, ni size ya hiyo aja zoom. Ziko sawa.
You need to zoom out kabisa uko unaziona. Make it bigger. Ongeza. Sijui kwa nini. Si ndio hiyo? Yes. Sasa iko uwezi ona hata sasa. Rudi, zoom in tena, rudi ikue ndogo kiasi. Lakini wewe hizi sako zako ulizichora aje? Aya, can you go to nini?
I gave them 4.0.
Basi sasa can you orbit, enda kwa orbit. Unajua uoni kitu unafanya, that is what nataka uone screen yangu. I want you to see my screen. Just look at my screen and see what I'm doing. A minute, 1 minute, then you will be able to do it. Unaona screen yangu? Can you see? Mariam, naongea na wewe. Unaona ukiclick hapo orbit, ukiclick hapa orbit, unaweza i-change hivi. Unaona? Unaona kitu nafanya?
Yes.
Aya, then if it is too small kama hii, una scroll to mouse hivi inakuwa kubwa. Una scroll in and out. Una click to the size yenyu, alafu pia unaweza orbit tena. So this is what I want you to do. So that you make the circles bigger enough so that you can see. And then you finish sketch. Then unakuja hapa kwa extrude. Alafu una click moja hivi, then you click control, you click all of them, all the 10. You can rotate to make them smaller so that uone, and then una extrude ikielekea ndani. Then you click okay, so that hizo mashimo zionekane hivyo.
Give me some 2 minutes.
Haya, fanya hivyo. Haya, others, can you start a new sketch? We want to do something new. Start a new design. Others, start a new design. Save your work. Always save your work.
Ndio nilimalizia. Iko sawa hivyo?
Hiyo ingine we wanted to show the aspect of nini hiyo ku extrude nini ku circular pattern and
Like
all that. Yeah, so can you I want to see uko sawa?
Iko sawa?
Hiyo iko sawa. Someone else who want to show me what they have done, hiyo iko sawa. Mtu mwingine?
Pata time unirudie ile nilimiss construction.
Tutaifanya. We are still it's what we want to do next. Mtu mwingine, someone else. Kennedy, I think I had seen yours. Matthew, yeah, Matthew is sharing. Good.
Matthew amefanya mpaka fillet.
You guys, of course, that you now know. So we were not focusing on that. Unaona huyu hata ameweka screws ndani. Good work. You can even put screws. I think I had shown you how to put screws. So Grace and the rest, if you want, you can put screws. Then you'll send them for printing. You'll send that for printing. Richard, I think Richard had shown us his work. Richard.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, can you show us your screen, what you've done so far?
I told you about my screen. It's only a read only, but I told you that there's something that I did.
Okay, so you'll share with us.
Screenshot.
Utashare na sisi. There are other people who joined today. Winnie, umepotea? Winnie.
Nimepotea kwa exclude.
Can you share your screen so we help you? Mariam, wewe bado hii kitu imekushinda. Hii kitu bado imekushinda. Can you click finish sketch? Let us help.
How do I select this small
go to the I think it is the front view and click front view. Ni front view, I think. The next view, hiyo view ingine yenye ile mali ulichora hiyo. Click on that. Yes. So you see your circles are too small, eh?
Yes.
So undo. We want to draw bigger circles. Yes, undo. Hadi hapo. Haya. So click a circle, click circle sasa. Then no, usichore hapo.
Am I doing the right thing?
No, you are not doing the right thing. I want you to finish sketch. Start a new sketch. And then double click. Una double click ndio iende to the drawing side. Double click hapo.
Where do I double click?
Hapo ndani. Where you want to draw. Double click tu hapo ndani. Sawa, chukua circle sasa. Take the circle. Then draw somewhere.
I've taken.
Chora kama hapo. Click, alafu uchore circle. Kama hiyo imetosha. Make it like 5. Umechora ikakuwa 5. Dimension it ikuwe 5. Escape, press escape. I think unaona umechora sako mbili wewe. Delete hiyo moja. Bakia na. Aya. So dimension dimension it ikuwe 5. Una double click on it. Si ndio hiyo? Aya, weka 5. Na delete tu yote unaandika tu 5. Usiandike point. 5 tu hivyo imetosha. Alafu enter. Sawa. Aya, so create a pattern. Create a circular pattern. Create circular pattern. Click your circular and then click circle. Click circle. Circle umechora hiyo. Hiyo dogo. Yes, click on it. Aya, then click center point. Rudi hapa chini, click center point. Click. And then chora center ya circle. The original, hiyo.
Double click.
Click on it. Mbona aya, weka 10. Aya.
They're still small.
Aya, so ebu orbit. I think
she should first extrude and then we see what happens, because I think those
so
dimensions are
finish sketch. Finish sketch. Then extrude, enda kwa extrude. Click sako moja. Hiyo ndogo, click hiyo kubwa ya nje. Hiyo ndogo zenye tulichora. Rudi kwa extrude. Hiyo ndogo hii yenye iko kwa pattern. Extrude. Hiyo mbona hiyo, I don't know what's happening with yours.
No, let her, unaona hapa kwa profile selected, cancel. Ukicancel then you're able to select what you want. In automatic, hiyo automatically may select the whole of that part. Hapa ebu enda sasa kwa circle. It's still doing the whole thing.
Can you rotate to the other face? Because I think the circles are on the other side. Rotate to the other face. If this is right, go to left. Oh, this is kind of funny because I think now they are visible.
Try to extrude. Try to extrude.
These circles are not on this face.
They are not on that face. So
yeah. They're either on the top, bottom, or somewhere else, but not on the right.
They are not on the right. Na si ndio hizi inaonekana hapo. Ebu extrude that, extrude hiyo. Extrude, go to extrude, finish sketch, then extrude. Now, I think also you need to be, okay, extrude. Extrude ile ya nje. Ile ya nje, okay. Extrude hiyo. Extrude ndani. Ikat. Aya. Click OK. Aya, so unaona hiyo ime
I think I have to make them outside, not on
aya,
this
so can you
one.
go to create? Can you go to create? Create circular pattern, unaona? Pattern, create pattern, after pipe, pattern hapo. Una scroll chini utaona pattern. Pattern ndio hiyo. Aya, so circular. Click. Aya, sasa chora nini, click ile circle, ile kitu umeextrude, ile circle umeextrude. Sawa. Aya, select axis. Aya, select katikati. Lakini mimi hapa naona start again, please. Start again.
Yeah, as I was saying, unaona hata nini plane yake iko upside down.
So start again. Just follow what we are doing and then you start again. When your nini will be here to help you. Okay, just start again. You are on the right track. You know how to get the pattern, but you just start again. Just take your time. Aya, Winnie had a problem. Nani anataka? Kennedy is asking for if somebody can. I think I told you guys to look for the personal use free license, I think. Okay.
Yeah, that's the process I was doing. Someone had asked how to go about it.
Okay. Aya, naendelea. So I want us to do something new. So create a new sketch, and then you can create on the right. And then create a new sketch. Everyone now knows how to do a new sketch. And now we want to use something which is called a spline. A spline is a line which can change its shape. You don't need to. So, Mariam, you can just start a new one with us. Mariam, just start a new one with us. Just stop what you are doing. You'll follow along and you continue. I want you to follow this. Everyone, you have a new sketch, Cindy. Everyone start a new sketch and follow exactly what I'm doing so that we are uniform.
The same, do you start a new file, Amma?
Yes, start a new file, new design, Huku file, new design. And then you save it. You save it. You can call it whatever you want to call it. Save it. Then, kila mtu mko hapo. Everyone, are you there? A blank. Then start a new spline. So spline is a line which can change. You can change the direction whichever way you want. Kama hapo. Oh, sorry. Create a spline, new points. You click on it, then as you drag it, it changes its shape. Then you press OK. Then you press OK. So itakuwa kitu kama hii. I want you to draw just a shape. It can be, remember what we wanted you to know is that with this plan, you can be able to change how it in a car. You can be able to draw it and change it, and you see how it's looking. Okay. Everyone, are we there? And these points, you can drag them like here upper. I want it to be on this line. So I drag it to reach there. You can drag this point, you like point somewhere, then when I drag, point somewhere, and I drag. Let's say you are making a shape of a glass or something. This is where those who did not have a mouse, mtaona cha mtema kuni. Yeah, you can play around with the shape as long as you have a shape. Can you guys show me what you've drawn? Just draw a nini like that. Someone, yeah, good. So Ahmed, I want the first point and the second point to be on the same line.
Excuse me.
Ivo, play around. Nice. Just play around with the shape. Mtu mwingine, stop sharing. Mtu mwingine, who is nani anasema excuse? You are excused.
I don't know why my file is showing this way. Let me show you.
Share screen.
Can you see it? How is it looking like?
Imekuwa ndo si ukwe nini, click ikue kubwa. Zoom out. Zoom out na mouse. Hivyo. Haya, sasa start a new sketch. New sketch. Then double click mali unataka hapo double click hapo ndani. Haya, then chukua spline. Hapo spline sio hiyo, okay, yeah. Endelea tu. Una click 2 points. Click to juu. Click to hapo, click on then hivyo. Click to on points regular. Unaweza ziweka as many as you want. Hata hiyo imetosha. Sawa. But don't make it complete. We don't see complete. Do whatever you see whatever we did. Do it like halfway. Nasur sasa share your screen. Nasur, please share your screen.
Sorry, sir, I'm out. I've taken my mom to the hospital, but I'm still following. So I'm off from the laptop.
Aya, mtu mwingine, Eric, Richard. We want to do a very interesting thing. So you guys, you have to follow. Aya, nice. Nice one. Aya, sasa nataka zikue on the same line where you started na where you are stopped, zikue on the same line. Sawa? Aya, good. Grace, hiyo ni mzuri. Mtu mwingine? John amepotea sasa. Imanti and Kennedy, share your screen. Nice. So play around with those lines. You can make them evil. Good. Mtu mwingine? Mariam. Sasa Mariam, nataka uvurute hizi line zikue on the left, on the right, sorry. Drag these points outward so that whatever you drawn is nice, but huku the second last point huku, these are the opposite side. Haya, hiyo point ya ndani, hiyo yenye imeingia ndani, toa ikoe nje. Itoa nje. Hapo iko sawa. Haya, hiyo ya pili, vuruta nje. Kabisa, endelea tu. Hapo iko sawa. Haya, hii point yenye iko ndani, hebu itoa nje. Hii point ya the last point, hivyo iko sawa. Hivyo peleka nje kabisa, endelea tu. Good. So you can play around with that shape. Everyone, thank you. Now you are with me. Mtu mwingine, someone else, share your screen. Peter Collins, yes. Good, Peter, good. Mtu mwingine, Rashida. Haya. So Rashida, nataka point zote zikuwe nje ya line. Zikuwe nje ya line. So this other one, vuruta nje. Take it outside. Take them outside that line. What you've done is nice, but nataka zikuwe nje. Endelea tu. Hii ingine pia. Yes, hivyo. That's okay. Who else want to share? Gogo? Yes. Gogo, what you've drawn is okay, but it's not whatever we. I want you to stretch it towards the nini. Stretch your point zikwe away. Hivyo. Hii point ya last, make it. There is something very interesting we want to draw. That is why vuruta hiyo that don't rotate it. Hiyo ya point ya mwisho vuruta ikue huko mwisho, peleka ikue nje huko to your right, to the right of the red line. Then make it on the red line. Make it place it on the red line. Jaribu kuvuta hizi, space this other one. Whatever you've drawn will work, but there is something very interesting. Just play around with them. Yeah, good. So guys, I'm sharing my screen. We continue. So unaona hii, you can mirror. To mirror meaning you make it be. You make another copy, because doing it to this other side, the exact shape is going to be difficult. So you come to create and then mirror. I think we've done mirror before. So you mirror and then you mirror a line. Una click your line. Alafu the axis or the point mirror line. Una click up a mirror line. Una mirror around this red line. So this is where construction line was coming in. So just draw a line. Nani, Grace, we were talking about a line, a construction line. So unachora tu line hivi. Unachora tu line normal. You just draw a line huko chini. Everyone draw a line along the red, and then you call it. You click on it, and then just draw a line
before mirroring.
Huko chini on the red line. You remember we had drawn our shape, so you draw a line huko chini.
Okay. Before we mirror.
Before we mirror, wachana na mirror kwanza. Just draw a line huko chini to join the points. It doesn't matter hiyo line iko namna gani, it can be. Then click on that line, itaonekana blue hivi. Click on the line, and then on the sketch palette, utaona this which is moving, you can call it a construction. You can make it construction. So construction, if you make it construction, it's going to be even dotted. Have you managed to do that?
On the construction, please.
To make it dotted. Unachora line, I'll do it again. Unachora tu line hivi. Ukishachora a line, then you click on it, your line, then you come to the sketch palette. Sketch palette ni hii kitu ina float hapo. You click on it, then inakuwa dotted, so inakuwa construction line. I'm deleting hiyo ingine. Mmechora hiyo. Itakuwa construction. Everyone. Have you managed to draw that line?
Yes.
Then I want you to dimension. Nataka uchukue hapa, then unaona hizi point. Unaweza chukua hapa, hii point to that line. Unaweza dimension hapo ikuwe 15. Unaona vile inatokea hii na hii ni 20. Unaweza amua ikuwe 19. Sasa unacheza na hizi nini zingine. You are forming a shape yenye like hapa nini. You dimension at least dimension 2-3 points to the here. No, this point. Click dimension, then click tuseme any point. That point to this point, make it even 17. Just do at least some points. So that is what the work of the dimension is. The mirror line, the construction line. Umeona how I've used it. So you use it to dimension easy points to the circle. I'm drawing something which looks like a car. Just some funny shape. Aya, mmefanya hivyo? Everyone, have you drawn that?
Yangu iko hivyo.
Aya, bado tuko kwa dimension. Then I want you to now create mirror. I want you to create inafaa ikuwe mirror. Then you mirror. What do you want to mirror? No, it should be on the nini, in the dimension side, in the nini hapa kwa sketch. So you click the line, then you create mirror, and then mirror line should be that dimension line yenye ulichora. Create mirror, then objects you I want you to mirror it along that line in umechora. Let's see.
Hivyo.
I want you to nini this. Wait.
Is that what you want? I think mine has worked.
Ebu share your screen.
I'm sharing.
If this is what I want. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
You,
Yangu imekubali hapo Mira. I just clicked, it worked.
yes, good. Someone else, everyone also. Everyone else also. Just mirror whatever you are having.
Ahmed sema okay. Hujaweka okay.
Who else? Who else wants to? Nataka muone. So it's a shape here. You can play around with them. You know, you can make like I'm making this shape. You can make it be whichever shape that you want. Sawa, so you are umeona sasa how to mirror. I think mirror I had shown you before, but for those who had not, so you can be able to draw a very nice shape like that. You know, play around with it. Aya. Nataka kuona vitu mmefanya. If you have not done something like this, then you are going to find it difficult going forward. So nataka, I want to see your screens. Yes, Peter Collins is sharing. Good. Aya, mtu mwingine, good. Mariam Abdallah. Sasa Mira. Go to sketch. So Nini, go to sketch. Get a sketch. Sasa create mirror. Create mirror. Create mirror. Then click on the line. Cancel. Draw a line hapo chini. Chukua tu a line. A normal line. Take a normal line. Normal line.
You already have this dotted one.
Wachana na hiyo. Just take a new line. I think it has to be a complete. We are going to see how. Yes. Achora hadi mwisho. Hadi ziungane. Hapo. Click. Then sasa take a mirror. Jaribu kufanya mirror tena. Create mirror. Select object ni hiyo shape yenye iko hapo ndani. Select mirror line. Una select hiyo line ya click. Huku select object huko juu, select object. Haya, select hiyo line ya juu. Let me show you again.
Aja click bado. Aja click select.
Let me show you. Mariam, angalia hapa. Mariam, si tuko na nini hivi? I'm
cannot see
sharing.
your screen.
I'm sharing. So umeona hii si tumechora hii sasa everyone has drawn a shape, eh? So you come to create mirror, then una select hiyo line hivyo hadi ionekane blue hivyo, ionekane blue ikiwa yote hivyo, then select mirror line, unachagua hapa, then itakuja hivyo, then una click okay. You can play around with the shape. Then you finish sketch. Mtu mwingine. And remember, we are doing this on the right. Aya, mtu mwingine?
Oh, why is mine bringing faces?
You share a screen tuone.
If I create mirror.
Click.
Faces.
Sasa wewe unajua so don't click faces, click. Enda kwa sketch, go to the sketch. You are doing this in the sketch. Then do it. Create mirror.
And click on the object.
Can you try? Can you name it again? Undo, cancel, then undo. Cancel, undo, undo. Undo tena. Just start by drawing a new sketch. Hiyo yako, delete hiyo alafu you draw a new sketch. You inafaa ikue. Just start a new sketch. Who else want to share? Hey, Juliana sasa umenyamaza. Adan hata ameshafanya is doing some Revolve. So you guys just who else want to share? We are about to finish, so sasa Mariam, create mirror. So select your object, select your line yenye ulichora.
Line.
No, the line. I think can you cancel? I think you must have a line down there. Take a line and then ujoin hapa chini. Chukua line ujoinishe hapa chini.
Excuse me. I think she has to undo to the point where she can tweak the curves for it to work. She just has to keep undoing until she can tweak the curves to that point. Then it can work, the mirroring.
Yeah, can you do that, Mariam? Undo. Just undo your work. Undo, undo. Undo, tena. Undo. Hey, umepotea. Can you click on the points? Click on the points. Aya, jaribu kuipeleka juu, chini. Yes. Aya, wacha hapo. Aya, hapo imetosha, sawa. Aya, sasa create mirror. Mirror. But you should be in the sketch. Unafaa ukue in the sketch ukifanya. In the sketch.
I'm not getting what you're saying.
Aya, hebu angalia screen yangu. Let me share my screen tuone kitu nasema. I want us to do something like this. Aya, so let me just start this thing, ndio naona watu wengi inawachanganya. So let you start a new sketch and then you take a spline. Unachukua hiyo line which all of you guys. So una click hapo, you just draw a shape. Okay? And then una click hapo, ukisha click hapo, you left click, then una click okay. I think maybe you are not doing that. Let me show you. Una click hapo, una click. Then the last one unaweza click hiyo nini? Hiyo tick, and then these points you can drag them. Like if I wanted them to be on the same line. So that when I click on the line, iko na hizi green points. And those green points are what you can use to manipulate how the shape is, or you can drag these ones like that. You can drag that like that. You can use the points to change the shape like that, make it in. You know, we can even decide we want to make something which looks almost oval like that. Make it something like that. It doesn't matter. Then zikiwa na points hivi, they must be having points like that. Then you come to create. You first of all draw a line hapa chini, which is going to be like the mirror line. And make sure that if the points are not haziungani, you can bring them like that. So that the point, when you do it, it's going to be like this. So you can be able to hold on it and it will become something like, so it's a complete shape like that. Then you come to create mirror. Then you select here. Then you select mirror line is this one. Then inatokea hivyo. Then you click OK. So guys, we've spent so much time there, so you should be able to do that. So you can rotate it like that. So that you are just having the one side view. we're just having one side view. So in a line hivi, and all of you guys know what's going on here. It's a shape like that. It's a shape like that. So you click on the side yenye nakupea nini hivi. Then we looked at something which is called construction line, but I'll repeat again. So come to construct, then offset plane, and then you want to offset. You want to offset this plane. You want to offset the plane which is parallel to it. Offset it for like 20. You can offset it on the top or the bottom. Doesn't really matter.
Repeat hapo kwa offset.
I click construct, then offset plane. Then the plane which you want to offset is the plane parallel to this line, which in this case is this plane. So hata ukidrag hivi juu utaona. Mnaona? Mnaona? You see this plane, which is parallel to this one. So that is the plane that you want to offset. Then you click OK. So the plane iko hapa. Ama if you come to construction, kuna hii plane. So you can come here. You can come here on this plane, and then you draw. You draw on this plane. You draw another spline. You can decide to mirror. I'm not mirroring. I have shown you how to mirror. So iko hivyo. So that when we ni shapes mbili, mnaona kitu tumeform, kuna ya ndani, kuna ya chini na ya juu. Ni kama moja iko juu ya ingine. So you can also play around with this second shape. So ukiziona ni shape moja is on the first plane, then shape ingine on the second plane. Then you can even draw a line to join the two planes. Like you click a line to join this point with this second point. Then there is this create. Then you create what is called a loft. So it's like you are connecting the two planes together. Then this is what you are going to have. Something funny, lean, but very interesting. Are you guys there?
Offset plane imekataa.
Imekataa. Ebu share your screen. Share your screen. Share. Haya. Sasa you cannot offset like that. Nataka click nataka click ikue in a line. So click on the top view. Click on the top view.
Hivyo.
Haya, weka ilale hivi. So rotate it so that ilale. Haya, hivyo. Guys, follow what she's doing. Then come to construct. Then offset. Then I want you to rotate.
I click this box,
Rotate, rotate your part again. Usiweke hapo box kwanza.
Oh, sorry.
So rotate hiyo nini ikue at a certain angle. Ikue kama 45. Unaweza tu
ikue.
Hivyo kama hapo iko sawa. So kuja kwa offset, construct offset plane. Unaona plane yenye iko parallel nayo ni hii ZE. The plane which is hiyo. Una click hiyo orange hapo chini.
Hapa.
No, you see there are 3 planes. Kuna hiyo hii na hii.
Ziko 3.
So click the one it is parallel to. The one it is lying on hiyo.
This one,
click on that plane. Then offset.
Umesema 25.
Umeona vile ime offset. Click okay. Sawa. So go to the top. Not to the top. Rotate it. Rotate. Can you rotate? Rotate your part. Ndio hiyo plane ikue juu. Rotate tena.
Sorry.
Hivyo. Hivyo vile ilikuwa juu hivyo. Good. So nataka uchore on this plane.
I draw another diagram.
So create a new sketch. So na create to sketch.
Kwanza ndio niende alafu spline.
Sketch. Okay. Create a new sketch. Sketch. Everyone, is there anyone who has succeeded or who has a problem? Sasa chora new one huko. Mtu mwingine? Grace, now you can stop sharing. Someone else? Someone else?
I'm stuck here, Bob. Let's see.
You know, this is now from work of.
You know, I left from 4 like 20 years ago.
This is now, if we there are those who are in Form 1, but now this is from 4 work, 3rd term. Okay. So we want to draw a nini. So kuja kwa construct. Come to construct.
Yes.
Offset plane.
Okay.
Alafu rotate hii part yako. Rotate it dogo. Unaona hiyo plane yenye iko imelalia. So drag this arrow.
This one. Like that.
Umeona vile hiyo plane imeiacha? Yes, so that is how to offset a plane. Sasa umeweka hapo hata 30, unaweza amua hata 30 ama 80, it doesn't matter. Hivyo, sawa? Click okay. So
in my construction part, bado it's one plane.
It doesn't matter. It's like several meters away, 7 millimeters away from it. So nataka uende rotate it ndio ilalie. Rotate it ni kama hiyo plane ikue juu. Hiyo plane ikue juu. Tumia hiyo.
Are we finishing the plane first, the sketch first before we separate, before we do the plane separation?
Yes, yes.
Good question. So let me go back and finish the sketch. I think I had already done that. Mine is finished.
Aya. Yako iko sawa, the sketch iko sawa. Then
So-
draw a new sketch on that plane.
So if I do that, see, it's still bringing me back to the original one. Sioni hiyo plane ya pili. That's the problem.
When you plane ya pili. So can I redo it?
Yes, please.
Yeah, that second plane is not coming. Inakuletea ukisema create sketch inarudi pale kwa hiyo ingine.
Aya, let me share my screen ndio muone. Aya, so I'm starting a new sketch or a new design. I'm calling it part. Okay, I want to draw it very simple. So you start a new sketch. Start it on the top. Tuanze now on the top view. Let's do it on the top view always. So we start a sketch, which all of you now know how to do. You can see my screen.
Yeah.
It's a spline, sorry. So ukishajua iko hapo, so you can left click, then click OK. Then you can play around with those lines as you want. But the final point nilisema ikue hapo. And then you draw a line. This line is going to be used to do that. And I can play around with these points. Nizilete ndani. Like that. Then you create a mirror of that. And then they select mirror line. Namna hiyo. So everyone now wako hapo. Situko hapa. Everyone can now reach there.
Yeah.
So you can rotate it or orbit it the way you want. So nataka muone hivi. Unaona kama hapo imelala kwa nini? Or let me show you. This is the right view. You take the right view. We were talking about the top view. Hapo ni top view. But you can take the right view or the left view. Unaona? Sasa hiyo line imekuwa imelala hivi. Mnaona?
Yes.
You can see it's imelala like that. So this is the plane. Hii plane ndio tunataka to offset. The plane yenye hiyo kitu imelalia. So we come to
we finish sketch first.
Finish sketch first, sorry. Then construct, then offset plane. Then there are three, kuna hii plane ya hapa, but if you rotate it like that, utaona kuna hii plane ya chini. Mali imelalea, hiyo plane ya chini. Hiyo ndo unavuruta hivi juu at maybe 30 hivyo. So unaona hii plane iko namna hii. You see this yellow thing? Iko peke yake. Imeachana na hii. Guys, can you see?
Yeah.
Mnaona? Remember, it's still on the top. Or if you look at the top, can you see, guys? So mnaona hii yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Aya. So hii yellow iko juu ya ile ingine. So I want you to do that and ufike hapo mniambie.
I'm there.
Eh? You are there?
Yes.
Aya, watu wengine? Rashida, umemanage?
In the process.
Aya, malizia. Then you create a new sketch on this plane. You can also decide to make it a spline.
Sasa.
Please mute. Please mute. Whoever that is, please mute.
Oh, Bivo, unafika hapo.
Young man. What is?
Remember, if you make a mistake, it will be on the same plane as the one you had. Grace, Ebu? Sasa Grace iko sawa. Grace sasa iko sawa. So I want you to draw on that plane. On that plane is where I want you to draw on. Mtu mwingine? Hey, somebody mute. Please mute. Please mute. Yeah, good.
Eric can unmute. So that looks good.
Yes.
Oh, good. Thanks.
Then I want you to take a line, chukua laini. Alafu join any 2 points. Ya juu na ya chini.
Sorry. Like that.
Unaweza join mingi ukipenda. Haya, good. Watu wengine, so unaweza join tu any 2 lines, any 2 points, any. Watu wengine? Go. Haya.
I have that plane.
Sasa go take a new sketch.
It will disappear.
It will.
Is it?
Yes. Nini yako ina disappear?
Yes.
Huku ifanya vizuri. Go back and do it.
I think akichora go back. When umeweka ukichora utaiona.
You see, there is where I mirrored, yeah? Then if I construct offset plane, you see I've got the planes here.
Yeah.
So which plane? You see the plane that in Alalia, this lower plane, this is the one that I offset. Bob, are we there?
Sure. Okay. Which one? Offset hiyo ya chini, hiyo ya base, hiyo.
This one. Hii yenye imelalia. Yeah. Yeah. So if I offset this.
Okay. Aya. Sasa enda uchore, chukua nini?
A new sketch.
Then chora kwa hiyo line hiyo. Click hiyo.
Is it?
Aya, chora tu. Hebu chora line juu. Create a new line. Then create scroll in, scroll out. yani umake ikue ndogo. Oh, plane imepotea. Hebu chora hapo juu. Imepotea.
It does potea. The plane has just gone berserk.
Bob.
Niko
na swali. Ukienda kuchora kwa new plane,
yes, you have to
start
click
at
that
the
plane.
center. You start at the center, the 0 point, or utaanza huku negative something kwa sababu hii shape already iko huku kwa negative.
Unafanya huko.
So utaanzia huko kwa negative, yani lazima ikue exactly mahali nyingine iko.
Vile hiyo ulikuwa unachora. Make sure hiyo imejaa, chora hiyo itu full length. Guys, let me make it with something easy. Ndio muelewe. I'm sharing my screen, alafu ndio sasa watu wafuate. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
So tuanze at the top, and then we create a new sketch hivyo. Then we start with we just create a spline. Let me just make something simple. It's not simple also in other ways. And then you create a new line like that. This now, I'm sure you know how to do. So you create a mirror. So tuko na hiyo shape. You guys can see it. Sindio? So it's on the top. So you rotate it. You rotate it so that you work with one side view, like the front view. Namna hiyo. You can decide to work with the front view, one of the side views, like that. So we want to you finish sketch, then you construct offset plane. Then if you rotate it slightly, you'll see there is this plane which it is lying on. So you do it, you drag it upwards like 70, doesn't matter. Then you click OK. Then you will see the plane inakuwa hivi. This plane, by the way, you can also resize. You can or you can click on a plane like here, then you offset plane. Then your plane itakwambia you want to bring it like that. It doesn't matter. So now we are on this plane. So mnaona hii plane itaonekana hivi. This is the original, but this is the plane. Then we click. Hiyo plane imepotea tena.
Now that is the thing, Bob.
Imepotea.
Bob, ebu just draw. I think ukidraw utaiona. Just draw
Oh,
on top.
so come to construction. Come to construction. Kuna hiyo construction. Wacha niwaonyeshe ndio. Si ndio hiyo imepotea. If I wanted to draw a new spline, so mnaona imepotea. So come to construction hapa, alafu kuna hiyo plane, alafu utaiona. This one is parallel to it. It's the wrong one. Si mnaona sasa iko. So you click on the points. So you're having the top and then the bottom planes. Then you finish sketch. So you quick to kama hii. Then you create loft. So you click that. Then you create that. Then itakuwa, that is how the shape will be. Sorry. You create loft, then create the nini na hii pia. Then you click OK. So itakuwa something like that. Kulikuwa na hii. You could guide it with this.
Could you repeat that combining part, please?
Na repeat loft, then una click hii na hiyo. So una select the profiles. Hiyo na hii. Ngoja tu, I redo it. So ziko mbili hivi. So you can put a profile, yani a line. This line is going to like guide it. Like hiyo. So itafikia hiyo line. Then he can create another line. They can be as many as you want. Like that. And then you finish sketch. Create loft. Then create your profile. Then una create profile na ile. Una click all of them, all the two profiles. Then rails, ukitaka rails, it's those lines which is going to guide it.
So you have to put those lines before you loft.
It's not a must. It's not a must. So that itatokea kitu kama hii. Then we remember we learned how to shell. Mnaona, with this you can be able to make something like a mask. Mnaona ile maneno ya mask? We are just learning this, but now we are going to, you should be able to draw like a mask. This is just a sketch of how it would go about. So I want to help you. So just share your screens and then tuone. Mtu mwingine anataka kutuonyesha hiyo screen yake?
There goes mine.
Matthew. Good. Matthew, good. Mtu mwingine? People are doing stuff, bwana. While others are just drinking tea. Wengine, Mariam, tuonyeshe uko wapi? Umechora hata shape. Go. Okay, good. Someone else? So nataka watu wachore ile kitu ya you remember the thing nurses use for doing surgical mask nini? Umepata. Can you shell one side, Yeah, at least you've done something inakaa funny. Good. Yes, good. Mtu mwingine? Ladies, I'm not seeing you guys. Today marks like the end. For those who have been attending from the beginning, I think you guys can now move ahead and start designing your parts. We are already at 1, so I'm here to help those who have not done anything before to design something. So those of you who have been doing that, I want you to, mnaona hii? Can you guys see this? Guys, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a mask. Mask. I'm going to share with you the link. I'm going to share with you the link of how he has done it. But basically, it's what I've shown you. Only that this time around, he is putting measurements. Mnaona sasa?
Yeah.
Guys, can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to share with you the link and then you design this mask, alafu niwaprintie. Sawa?
Okay.
Or do you want us to do it together in class next week?
Yeah, we can try doing it on our own, then we finesse it on Saturday.
Yes.
Just share the link, Bob.
Yes, I'll share the link. But so far, what we are doing there is what is explained there, how to offset plane. And here now is just putting the measurements, but I didn't put that measurement and the exact shape because of time and all that. But yeah, so far we have something. So I want you to, you remember there is this thing for there are these containers for doing surgical, for keeping surgical equipment. Inaitwaje? Who is a nurse here? Who is? So there is this dish. How do we call it for sterilization?
Yeah, do a two test tube.
So there's this, it's not a dish. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
We call it acupuncture.
Acupuncture?
Acupuncture.
Hiyo ni kitu. Mnaona hii?
Yeah.
That's what we call acupuncture.
Inaitwa acupuncture.
Yeah.
Sijai sikia. Haya. So this is what I want you to draw. Alafu tuchore hii to print. Sawa.
Yeah.
This one and the mask. This one and the mask. Na hiyo mtu atachora mzuri na there is a present.
Kuna measurements ama tunachora vitu zetu.
Yeah, make it the size tunaweza print. Don't make it too big. Also don't make it too small.
What is the
at least 15 centimeter, across. So
the widest
the widest side. So
50 by
15 centimeters. So nataka mtu achore hii. Hii lazima mchore. In case mmeshindwa, tutangangana tuichore, but you guys just do it.
Okay.
See, that's something you can do.
Naona inaitwa kidney dish.
Kidney dish. Just look for that shape. At least when you have that shape, it will be easier for you. Okay, so this is an assignment, or this is something to do over the weekend, and then I'm going to share with you the link for this mask. Hii mask pia mnaweza chora, and then we print them, the two of them.
Okay.
So yeah, but so far, can you send me whatever you have designed on WhatsApp, and then I'll print them for you. Hopefully they are not too big. If they're too big, then I won't be able to print them.
Bob, I have a question.
Yes.
Hii loft, look at my screen, eh?
Here?
This loft, eh?
Yes.
Why is it not connecting to the whole of my design? It connects only one point where I've chosen. When I choose another one, it disappears.
Oh, undo.
So can you please share your WhatsApp number, please?
Yes, I'm sharing the guy who wants WhatsApp. I think if it's not on WhatsApp, we are going to add you. So hii ingine si plain, Grace. Hii ya chini.
Nimeandu. Eh?
Hii ya chini si plain.
It is a plain.
Ebu rotate
it was on top when I
rotate it. Rotate it. Naona ikiwa tu align.
Hapana, hii ni diagram. Hiyo nimechora ilikuwa plain.
Oh, then if it is a plain, then haiko complete. Complete it.
Were we supposed to draw a line hapa chini? Kama ile ingine.
Unaweza amua kuchora line ama uichore tu. Yani make sure that zina join.
Okay, ndio nilikuwa nakuuliza kama we have to draw the connecting line.
Draw a line join hizo parts. As in they must be a plane. Chora line join hizi 2 points. Just draw a straight.
I draw from the top one to the down one.
Each shape ya pili, make sure it's complete. It's a complete, it's hanging. Draw, make sure you join it ikue a complete surface. Yani, unganisha hizi points mbili.
Also, I have to draw
line up.
A shape that connects to the previous one. That's what you mean.
Unaona easy, join these 2 points with a line. You go to design, enda kwa sketch. Chukua line. Guys can follow her. So take a line. Then join hapo na hii ingine.
Na si ulisema si lazima kufanya hivi.
Hii ya chini, hii join hii. hii ingine, join hizi mbili. Like those shapes must be must be full. Take a spline.
Oh, sorry. I asked you earlier whether we have to connect.
Go ahead, connect them.
Wasema sio lazima.
Maybe
I didn't understand you.
Join them, join na hii ingine.
Oh.
The shape does not matter for this case, but you want join hadi hii. Unaona ile shape ingine unichora. Can you rotate that thing?
Hello.
Let me go back.
Hiyo ama umira hiyo.
People can move up to tomorrow. Huh?
Okay.
Tomorrow 8 p.m. is the last.
Because originally it was like that on top.
Join them. They must be continuous planes.
Okay, so the upper one must connect to the lower one.
Can you see my screen?
Okay. No, I can't see your screen. Let me stop sharing. Now you share now.
Unaona screen yangu? Unaona?
Yes.
So let me undo. So unaona I have two shapes. Imeisha. In fact, there is a line here which I can delete. It doesn't. So hii ni shape, unaona hii ni shape?
Yes.
Na hizi zingine pia ni shape, or this can be, it can be one complete shape, or they must be two shapes. Mnaona?
Yes.
So yours was not complete. Yani hii line haijaungana yote ikakuwa one complete shape.
You see, one we mirrored, the other one I just drew one side. I didn't mirror.
You can do. Ulikuwa umefanya hivi ukaachilia, but lazima ziungane hivyo. You see, this one is a complete thing. Just join them together, or mirror if you want to.
Okay.
Okay, then once you do that, once you finish sketch, so you are having two shapes like that. Another way which is simple, okay, then let me loft this, then I show you. So those who have not managed to, then now you click on this and this and that. Like that, then you click OK. So let me draw something very simple. Let me say if we are just using circles, because let me just it's good to start on the top view, but it's not a must. So you can start a new design here. Spline kama hiyo kitu inakaa dish. So those who can also join, who can also do it with me also, you can those who want to try doing it as I'm doing it also, you can also do it. So these points, as I told you, you can bring them in. Actually, we are just doing it now. It won't take long. Like we are not doing the perfect one. See, that's fair enough, majama. Guys, can you see?
Yes.
Yes. So, yes, that's fair enough. Then we do construct offset plane. Then remember I told you how you do it. You want to offset the plane it is parallel to, ambayo ni hii plane, sio hiyo ingine. Cancel. You offset plane hii hapa. So you offset it upwards or downwards. I think downwards. So let's say you offset it by 30 millimeters, so it will be like 3 hivyo. Then ndio hii hapa. Then you start a new. So you do it on this. Then you create a new one. You create something. By the way, you can remember we were doing offset. Guys, can you remember offset?
Yes, Bob.
Yes.
We were offsetting the plane from construct.
No,
you go to construct and finish sketch first.
Huh?
You have to finish sketch first, then you go to construct and offset plane. Go to construct. Or are you doing something different from the one that?
Yeah, I'm doing something different.
Ah, okay, I see. Sorry.
So ndio hii plane hapa. So we want to draw a new spline. Ngoja. So I'm making it The best way is to, but just look. You try making it as close to the other one as possible, and it will be slightly smaller. And it will be slightly smaller. Guys, it's almost, it's past time, so, but we're just doing this for those, if you want to leave, you may leave. It should be almost the same. You should offset the other one at by a certain distance, but I'm just giving you at least a brief of how it's going to look like. So you draw the second shape, which is of the other one. Then you finish sketch. So ziko hivyo, this other one should be slightly smaller. And then you come to loft, then you click that and that. The rail is missing. So the rail has to be there, meaning you have to create a line which is joining the two parts. So you have to create a line is joining here and that. Ukupia, you can create 2 points or as many points as you want. So those are the lines which are there. They can be straight line, they can be, doesn't matter. The whole point I want to show you is how to do it. Then now you create loft, then you create that. Then, yeah, these are the rail guards which is guiding it. Yeah. So you have something, it's not the most perfect one, but since you have time, we can do like 2 millimeters. So guys, have you seen?
Yes.
Meona? Yeah, so the second shape should be offset. Una offset your ingine and you make it smaller. So that it follows that perimeter. Hii ingine nilichora tu differently.
Is it easier to extrude than to do the lofting? To extrude from the original drawing, the sketch.
Unaweza fanya hivyo, yeah, it will work for you, then it's okay. But okay, this loft is used to do some complicated parts, yeah? Kama mliona ile ya kwanza. Like I think it was this one. Mliona kama you saw kama this one. Guys, you saw like this, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so if you want anything, if I have not printed anything for you, then send me on the group. There are those who have printed something for, it's good work you are doing, and yeah, we will meet again next week. Is there any question or any concern? So So for those who are new, how to print it, or how to print, like if you are having a design like this, you export it as STL. So you come to File, Export, and then it's part 1. I'm just going to call it my name. And then you make sure you export .stl. So this is the file which you are going to send me on the WhatsApp. .stl. Send me on WhatsApp. Good. And then I'll print them for you. Sawa sawa. Any question, any concern?
Could you please add me on WhatsApp?
So I'm posting my contact there. I'm posting my contact on the WhatsApp group. If you are not there, you can send me a text right now. So I've posted it there. You can text me and then I'll print you, I'll add you to the group. Then you guys just keep on posting whatever you've designed today. Sawa. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Have a good weekend. Once you design them, next week we will print them for you, or during the week we'll print them for you, and then we share them. Yeah. So for those who did not attend today, we didn't go to the Nini, but those who have been attending, this marks the end of classwork with all that. You will continue working on your projects. The next upcoming one will just be repeating for the sake of those who are new. Like today, we did some work, so I'll go back and do a few things on extrude and all that, so that those who are new can also benefit. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much and see you next week.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.